My Jewish identity is probably all of my career. It's very difficult. I mean, I don't. I think that's true of everybody's identity. I think everybody brings all of his own baggage to whatever he does artistically. I think that, and as I say, I have to consciously get the Jewishness out of it when I'm writing something that isn't supposed to be Jewish. There are, on a very basic level, when you're writing a lot of dialogue and the character is Jewish, you write it a certain way, because particularly if it's somebody of a certain age. I can't think of it offhand of an example. I can't make one up, but I did a television program long back in the 80s called Kate and Allie, which was, now these people were not by any stretch of the imagination Jewish, but everybody who was working on the show was Jewish, everybody. And we all had to, no, that's too Jewish. We were always telling each other, no, we can't say it that way, it's much too Jewish. Because Jane Curtin, who was a brilliant comedian and actress, and Susan St. James were playing two relatively normal American women who had decided to pool their resources and move in together temporarily until they each found a second husband and their children. And so at the same time, here were Bob Randall and Sherry Coben and I and Bill Persky, who was the brother of the inheritor of Grossinger's, were all working, and I were all working on this situation comedy, and we all had to remind each other, all right, we'll find some other way of saying that because that sounds too Jewish.